up, Shark? Just stepped off the bike because you know I haven't taken very many rides since September, and here we are. I just did another 30 miles because that's all the batteries can give me. So that's 100 miles. 100 miles I've driven on this front brake and front rotor, and how I feel about it, it's dead quiet. Doesn't make any noise because the holes are small, but they let the gas out between the pads, and it's real steady and smooth. And the brake lever feels real good. You know, I don't need to do much. That's a hard pull, and then that's just making the brake work. So like, and it's got a brake switch so I can turn on a brake light, but you know, I haven't had time. I've been making all your toys, and the reason why I'm on this is I just dropped off 5 sets of triples. So Art Kent, George G Life, Armstrong, Schoonover. Yeah, you guys got all your goodies, all your rotors, all your parts. This is gonna be excellent because it's all priority mail. You should get it by Friday, so everybody should have everything for the weekend and go ride. Let me know how it goes. Send me pictures, send me videos. I need that stuff. Show me something I can make a Christmas video with. All right, thanks a lot, man. Much love.